I'm Miss A. Soma. From now on, I will make a series of videos about verb, pitch, accent. Actually, at first, I was going to make a simple video like my previous videos on pitch accent of nouns, like the following. 着る flat, to wear, low, high. 切る to cut, head high, high, low. 買う flat, low, high, to buy. 買う head high, high, low, to have animals. However, if you memorize 切る this way, you might read 切らない、切ります. They are wrong. 切らない、切ります is right. As you know, verbs change their forms. So, it's not enough to memorize the accent pattern by just the dictionary form. So, I've made up my mind to make videos explaining both of verbs conjugations and pitch accents. At the same time, I will alternate between making videos on pitch accent and other topics as well. Since covering pitch accent all at once will take far too long, and I want to expose you to the other topics as well. Here we go. There are 4 styles of verb conjugations. 5段活用、1段活用、家業変革活用、作業変革活用. You can say just 5 段, 1 段, 可変、作変. And 可変 has just one verb. 来る、作変 have する and する families. 勉強する、料理する。心配する and so on. Here, I've mentioned about the most popular one, 5段活用. You might have seen this chart when you first learned Japanese. We call the consonant line 行. So, かきくけこ is called か行. さしすせそ is called 作業. And the vowel line 段. So, 赤沙汰な浜やらは is called あ段. 生きしちにひみり is called い段. So, 5 段活用 means use every 段. 5 段活用 あ段、い段、う段、え段、お段. 1段活用 means just 1 段. E or A. Here's one simple verb, 書く, which means to write. 書く is the dictionary form, and the last hiragana is く. Please watch. 家業. It says かきくけこ. This verb conjugation is かか、かき、かく、かけ、かこ. かかかきかくかけかこ. Just that. If you don't memorize hiragana yet, don't worry, it's okay. You just see vowel u and change it to a, I, e, o. Then you can make the same. These kaka, kaki, kaku, kake, kako are not independent. They cannot work in sentences alone except kaku, kake. So we should use verbs helper after them like that. ない、出る、せる、ます、たい、た、て、こと、の、そうだ、ようだ、ば。They are very traditional verb helpers. と思う、とは思わない、とする、とはしない、だ、です、ではない、ではありません。And last particles. They are very useful in daily conversations. かか can have. ない which means there's no following it. So, 書かない means not to write. In English, don't write or doesn't write. 書き can have ます following it and makes verbs polite. So, 書きます means to write in polite form. 書く this is the dictionary form. And as I said in my previous videos of future tense, Japanese dictionary form can express present and future. And 書く plus nouns, it works as if a relative pronoun in English. kake sounds really rough and rude, but you can hear this form many times in anime, I think. 戦え!飛べ!走れ! And plus ba, it turns to be if clause. 書こう! Let's write! So, we Japanese memorize Japanese verbs conjugation the following style. 書かない、書きます、書く、書くこと、書けば、書け、書こう. If you are an advanced student, you might think that ta and te is here. They were originally kakita, kakite, and it's hard to pronounce kakita, kakite. So the pronunciation changes. It's called onbin. I'll make some video about them later. You might feel confused to see what a Japanese verb conjugation table looks like. It is different from English one, but it is not terribly different. In English, when you want to change right to its negative form, I assume that the word not pops into your mind and put it before verb, correct? In Japanese, in the same situation, that word nai pops into our mind and put it after verb kaku. And then we change the vowel u to a. Kakanai. I know many non-native speakers learn with this style of verbs conjugation table, which seems to be the most popular one. It is useful somehow, especially for non-native speakers, but I don't like this table because I don't believe people think of didn't write, don't write, can write to be written as verbs conjugations. Can and write are different words, right? So I use this type of table, which is very plain for native Japanese speakers. I will explain verb pitch accent with this table step by step. However, the most difficult thing that makes Japanese verb conjugations complicated is that the verb helpers themselves have their own conjugations too. For example, 書かないずない。書かなかった didn't write. 書かなくて don't write, doesn't write. And 書かなくなる stop writing. 書かない don't write, doesn't write. 書きますずます。書きません don't write, doesn't write. 書きました wrote. 書きまして write and 書きます write, will write. 書きましょう let's write. They are all in polite form. And the like. I don't want you to be overwhelmed, so I won't introduce all of the verb helpers conjugations for now. Japanese sentences are made by many tiny pieces. If you think 書きませんでした, which means didn't write, as one verb, you cannot learn how to use 書きませんでしたproperly. I mean, 書く and ます and is equal to ない and as the same word. ですた They can be separated. You can make 書くプラスた書いた書くプラスます書きます書くプラスない書かない書くプラスますプラスた書きました書くプラスないプラスた書かなかった That's enjoyable, right? I'm sure you will come to understand. 書かなければならなくなったみたいなんだけれども、書かなくてもよくなったみたいなんだよね。Kind of long ending. So, let's enjoy learning Japanese together. 遊びながら行きましょう。In the next video, I will explain the verb pitch accent patterns. There are two patterns, flat and 起伏 and I will mention about 一段活用 verb conjugations and
In the next video, I will explain how to use つもり。
どうもありがとうございました。お疲れ様でした。See you!